Okay, so want to make a little video to document this spool. This be it's listed as a replacement for the Century 125 GL, at least per the Century website that shows the number for the 125 GL. Check out the description down below. I'll put all that information there, and you can see there's the larger diameter. It's not only for the smaller spools, but also, what is this, 2 pound? Yeah, 2 pound spools, but also for the larger 10 pounders. So the thing is, when you use this piece, you can't really, you don't have much room for a spring. The tension's way too high. So you can see here, just that's way too high. So, and that's either way, you flip her around and same situation. Tension's too high. But it looks like a good enough design. So, I mean, you could technically put this way and may get less tension, but that's way too much tension. So I was like, okay, I gotta wait around and see if I can find a washer. I found a washer finally, a little bit loose, but this will do it. So that's a quick fix. I'll put the links down below, but for the price, I mean, it's a great price. Seems to be heavy duty enough. Next thing's going to be figuring out clearing the rectifier behind the mount wall, because there's not a whole holes already drilled for this to mount. And that's if and when I do replace this. But I should be able to do that. Should be no problem. When I open that up, though, I kind of want to see what I can do for mods while I'm in there. Might be kind of fun to be able to make some upgrades. So we'll see. No hurry. But I just wanted to share that real quick. Okay, be safe, stay healthy. Until next time, learn something new. Bye for now.